Cheat3 here with little Cheat3. Can you say hi?
Hi!
So we have a couple of announcements for you. The first one is how to get the bricks, and the second part is how you can share your builds with us and with other Cheat3 followers. So you've been asking, how can I get the bricks to build the Cheat3 puzzles? Well, we've been working really hard on a solution for you for that. It didn't work out with Bricklink, but Rebrickable has a really cool solution, and we're gonna walk you through that. Little Cheat3, you wanna walk them through that?
Sure.
Okay, little Cheat3 is gonna walk you through that. Let's go take a look.
So let's go to the Cheat3 channel and find Rainbow Road. If you scroll down to the description and show more, you'll see a Rebrickable link. That takes you to our Rebrickable puzzles. You can see we have two puzzles up right now, Rainbow Road and Ben's Locker. If you choose Rainbow Road, it takes you to the Rainbow Road page. And over to the side here, you can buy the paper instructions. Let me show you what those look like. Of course, you don't have to buy the instructions because we have free tutorial videos. If you scroll further down the page, you can see more tabs. If you click on the inventory tab, you'll see all the parts for the puzzle you want to build. One thing I want to show you is the 1x4 rail groove brick. In white, that brick costs $11 US. But if you switch to light bluish gray, it only costs 7 cents. So I went ahead and made that change for you. If you're willing to pay a lot more, you can use the white bricks separately. Another thing I want to show you is that Rebrickable lets you easily create wish lists and wanted lists for Brickable and Bricklink. You might want to use Brickable or Bricklink because they let you sort through different vendors. But Rebrickable has a really nice buy feature, which I'll show you now. Click on the Buy Parts tab. It shows you vendors that you can use to buy the parts. There are 3 vendors each that could supply us all the parts. But it is a little bit pricey. But you don't have to buy all the parts from one vendor. You can use Rebrickable's multi-buy feature. There are several options, including whether you want used parts or not. Click Search Stores. A table of parts and stores appears. Right now, the total cost is estimated at $250. Yikes. Most of that is estimated shipping costs. That's because it's choosing the cheapest vendors for each part. That results in 24 vendors and excessive shipping costs. Let's fix that. Let's first adjust the delivery cost to $6. Then click Minimize Delivery. Now only 6 vendors appear. And the total cost is drastically reduced. You'll want to click the Hide Stores with No Selections button. That way we only see the stores that are selected. You have to purchase the parts individually from each store. It's a little bit of a hassle, but it saves you a lot of money. If you want to search by country, try using Brickable or Bricklink. The second announcement we have is our Instagram page. You can find it at the Cheat3 channel, just over here. We've posted pictures of all of our puzzles. Our Instagram page is called Cheat3 Puzzles. Each puzzle has its own hashtag. We want you to share pictures of your builds with us. If you upload them to Instagram, make sure to use this hashtag. The hashtag is hashtag cheat3 and then the name of the puzzle. Here's hashtag cheat3 Rainbow Road. We want to see your builds. Share them with us.